Tips on how to properly deal with arthritis. With well over 100 different types of arthritis, it is little wonder that millions upon millions of people are diagnosed with the condition every year all over the world. The information found in this selection of arthritis tips and tricks will shine some light on the mysteries of arthritis and its symptoms. Buy accessories for your life and your home that make things easier. For example, you can purchase products that make it easier for you to open doors or take the lids off of jars. If you can increase the ease of your daily life, you'll reduce pain and stress and improve your attitude. Try different treatments with hot and cold packs to see what works for you. Different patients have different success with hot or cold compresses. Generally, chronic pain responds well to heat, while sudden onset pain responds best to cold packs. Everyone is different, however, and your initial treatment attempts may not bring immediate relief. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight causes stress on the joints, especially in the knees and hips. This added stress leads to flare-ups of arthritis. This is in addition to the well-known health dangers of being overweight and the detrimental effects it has on your mood and energy levels. Speak with your doctor about a safe weight loss plan. Maintaining proper posture will help your joints to stay strong. You will reduce the pain from your arthritis with good posture. When standing and sitting, you will want to maintain the correct posture. Make sure both legs are supporting your weight. By doing this, your joints and spine will feel a lot stronger and you'll soon feel a lessening of your overall arthritis symptoms. If you or someone that you are close to suffers from arthritis, you should know that it is very important to stay positive. While there is no cure for arthritis, following the advice in this video will offer you some insight into the various options available for the treatment and management of the disease. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.